Hello, in this video I'll show you some tips regarding your Toyota AC, also how to prevent from getting bad smells into your climate system. This car is a Toyota Rav4 5th generation from 2023, but those tips will apply to all the Toyota and Lexus newer models. So, first one, when the car is parked outside and the temperatures are very high, let me start the car. First thing you have to do before starting your AC, lower the windows, all of them. Next, start your AC and always start with auto. It will adjust the temperatures and it will not stress the AC compressor. Also, I recommend all the time when the car is parked outside to direct sunlight, use one of these or something similar in order to block the sunlight hitting the dashboard. Since this car is a hybrid and the battery is located under this seat, the back seat, you should bear in mind that the AC should always be on when the temperatures are higher than 20 degrees, because maintaining a lower temperature inside the car will protect the battery. So take this as a highly advised. Next thing that you should remember and apply in order to protect your AC, it's always to change the cabin filter, which is you have to remove the glove box. I will share the link with this procedure because I did it in the past, and you'll see when in that video that the OM Toyota cabin filter is not so good quality, and I recommend to use an aftermarket one which has carbon inserted in it. It's way dense and it will protect better the air inside. Next tip, always when you are using the AC, before arriving at your destination with, let's say, 1-2 minutes, close the AC, increase the fan speed and leave it like this with the AC closed. So in this way you will remove all the humidity from the condenser, which is located somewhere here. Because if you leave the car with humidity inside the condenser, bad smell and bacteria will grow in the future, and that's why from time to time you will feel some bad smell inside the car every time you are starting the AC. Another advice is to use from time to time, I'm using each mount this kind of spray. It's very easy to use. Just click it, it will trigger the spray, and all the quantity from inside it will be released. So before using this one, switch the AC on, switch the recirculation, put it at the maximum speed, and after that close all the windows, wait until the quantity will be released from the tube, and leave the car with those settings for around 15 minutes. After that, open all the windows and wait another 10 minutes, so the gas will be released, will be evaporated from the car. Next tip, from time to time I'm using foam evaporator cleaner, which is highly effective in order to clean the AC tubes and the molds that can be formed in time. So it's very simple to use. Just insert the tube in each vent, here, all four, and also in the back. Here, if the car has one. And besides the vents, the most important thing, it's in order to clean the evaporator, it's find you have to find the drain hose and start cleaning from there, from down to up. Let me show you how. In order to find this hose, you can start AC and wait. So you will see some water that will hit the ground. Usually for Rav4, this is the place. Here. So the procedure will be simple. Insert this hose. Use the spray. That's all. Use the foam in each air vent. Also in the back, if the car has some vents here. Last advice is, if you can buy one of these, it's the most effective one. It's an ozone generator. And you have to plug it. After that, set the time, usually 15 minutes. Start it up, and the procedure is the same. All the windows should be raised up. Set the AC to recirculation. Start the AC and put it at a higher level, and wait for 15 minutes so this thing can do his job. And after that, open all the windows and wait for, let's say 15 minutes, 20 minutes. After that, you can drive the car. That were the most important thing that you should take in mind in order to protect your Toyota AC hatchback, and hope it managed to help you in the future. Good luck and see you in the next tutorial. Bye.